Forget the signature. Andy Warhol always leaves the same visual clues. Once you know what to look for, you'll recognize his art in seconds. First, look for repetition. Warhol challenged the idea of a single unique image. Instead of one painting, he often repeated the same subject again and again, creating grids that looked like supermarket shelves or endless media images. Whether it was Marilyn Monroe, Campbell's soup, or dollar bills, ordinary images became hypnotic patterns. If the same image appears multiple times, like a commercial display, you're likely looking at Warhol. Second, look at the colors. Warhol transformed familiar images with bold, unnatural color combinations. Faces could become hot pink, electric blue, or bright yellow. He wasn't interested in realistic colors. He wanted to capture the artificial world of advertising and celebrity culture. The brighter and more unexpected the colors feel, the closer you are to Warhol. Third, look at the subject. Warhol blurred the line between everyday life and fine art. Soup cans, celebrities, advertisements, and newspaper images became museum-worthy icons. To him, a common product could be just as fascinating as a traditional masterpiece. If the subject feels instantly recognizable from mass culture, you're probably looking at Warhol. Finally, look at the technique. Warhol moved away from traditional brushstrokes and used silkscreen printing to create his images. In his famous studio, The Factory, he embraced repetition, mechanical precision, and even accidental flaws. Smudged ink, imperfect layers, and slight variations became part of the artwork. It feels less like a traditional painting and more like a machine creating art. So remember the formula: the repeated images, the electric colors, the famous icons, the mechanical process. Now let's put your new skill to the test. Look at these 4 paintings. Only one is a real Andy Warhol. Can you spot the master? Drop your choice, 1, 2, 3, or 4 in the comments. Now it's your turn. Like, subscribe, turn on notifications, and see you in the next video. Bye!